If you're asking yourself which one is better between SalesHoo and Doba for wholesale and dropshipping options, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about both platforms so you can make an informed decision about which is the better option for your business. First off, SalesHoo and Doba both claim to offer top-notch wholesale and dropshipping options, but they have very different approaches. SalesHoo offers a massive directory of suppliers, which is great if you're looking for a variety of products to sell. However, just having a big list isn't always enough. You also want to know if those suppliers are reliable, whether you'll get competitive prices, and if their customer service is up to scratch. So, while SalesHoo gives you access to thousands of suppliers, the quality control is something you'll need to take a closer look at yourself. It's a big responsibility on your end to vet suppliers and make sure you're choosing the right ones for your business. Next thing, let's talk about Doba. Doba does things a little differently. Instead of offering a directory, Doba integrates directly with suppliers. This means you're getting access to actual inventory, and you don't have to worry about tracking down suppliers yourself. It's a more streamlined process, but there are some trade-offs. Doba charges higher subscription fees compared to SalesHoo, and some of their inventory can be on the pricier side. So, while Doba may offer convenience with direct supplier access, you might not get as much flexibility with pricing. The third thing to consider is customer support. When you're running a dropshipping business, good support can make or break your experience. SalesHoo does offer decent customer service with a responsive support team, but it's worth noting that you don't get immediate assistance 24/7. If you need answers fast, that could be a deal breaker for some people. On the other hand, Doba offers pretty solid customer service with access to a dedicated support team and more immediate help, which is great if you're new to dropshipping and need guidance. The fourth thing is the actual product range. SalesHoo has over 8,000 suppliers in a variety of industries, so if you're looking for specific or niche products, you're more likely to find them here. But the trade-off is that not all suppliers are created equal, and some may not meet the quality standards you're looking for. Doba, on the other hand, has a more curated selection of suppliers, which means fewer choices, but there's a bit more certainty when it comes to product quality and pricing. So, which one is better for wholesale and dropshipping? Well, both SalesHoo and Doba have their strengths and weaknesses, but after trying both of them, I'd recommend taking a closer look at a different option that offers a better solution for both ease of use and flexibility. If you want a better alternative to SalesHoo and Doba, one that provides a more tailored experience with less hassle, check out the link in the description. This is an exclusive offer just for our viewers. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are not available anywhere else. While SalesHoo and Doba are good platforms, if you're looking for a more hands-off experience with lower upfront costs and better long-term flexibility, it's worth exploring the free trial offer. You can get started with no commitments and see for yourself why it might be the better option for your dropshipping goals. So, make sure to check the first link in the description and start your free trial today.